If you want to go ahead and sketch out something in Jotboard, you can actually go around over here and use the pen tool for it. Simply select the pen tool and start drawing around, and then what happens is that you can draw freely as you want. But if you want to have more option for the pen, you can click and hold it and let go, and you can see that you can select out the pen tool right here. This is what we have. You can also select marker tool right here, just like this, which is a bit more thicker, as you can see right here. You can go around over here and then go for highlighter as well, which actually gives a transparent highlight like this over here. You can even see like you got the brush tool right here. You can see that there's a transparent brush right here as well. So there's different sort of colors right here. Let's say, for example, I can even go ahead and choose different colors like white. I can choose, let's say, for example, blue right here, green, so forth, just like this. Click on it and then you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, draw around right here, just like this. You can go for red as well, and this is what you have, as you can see. So that is simply how you can go ahead and use pen tools inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.